Morning everyone, Edward here from Editech Solutions, from Attain Work, from AfriSale, and we have a lot of websites actually. But basically today we have a very small thing that I want to take you through very quickly, and this is our topic today: how to set an out of office or vacation reply in Gmail or Google Mail, or I think most of the email providers, which is the same, because they all solve one problem. Okay, so I'll quickly head to my Gmail. It's already open here, but just to walk you through, you can just type gmail.com in your browser, whatever browser you're using, and then it will have to take you through the logins and stuff. Yeah, but mine is already bookmarked and already logged in, so it just loads the entire the email dashboard, right? So I'm going to go back to this one that I had already opened, and then take you through what it takes to set an a vacation autoresponder. Okay, so basically you quickly head to here. Down here there is a gear, setting gear below your profile pic. You can see here I put the mouse here. I'm trying to hover the mouse here and it says settings. So you click there, then you come down to settings. From settings it will bring the setting window open. Scroll down to the last bottom. Here down you'll see we have vacation responder. Then to try to explain a little bit here, sends an automated reply to incoming messages. If contact sends you several messages, this automated reply will be sent at most every 4 days. Okay, so what you have to do here, now it is in off mode, because I don't need it apparently, because I can access my emails. But just in case you're going for vacation, you have a short holiday, you have maybe this COVID-19, you want to set up an email that from this date to this date I will not be around. So please, you can use this number to reach me out, or you can do ABCD to reach me out. Now, I will set it to on. When I set it to on, I have to select the date. Today is 12th. Say from 12th to last day. Let's say last day will be end of the month, end of April. I say between these dates, I want it to be showing to people. So I'll have to put my subject. Let's say I'm not in office. Yeah, simple. You can put anything that you want to communicate to your people who normally sends you emails. So here I will say, sorry, for example, sorry for inconvenience. Inconvenience. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the inconveniences. I won't be in office for the whole month of April. Yeah. Please, if you want something urgently, try to speak to my assistant on this email. Assistant at your website.com. Yeah. Or call me directly on my number plus 971 556 860 3578, which is my number. Yeah. So then the moment you hit send, only send a response to people in my contacts. You can do that one. It just depends upon your choice, or it can be people outside your contacts. Yeah. So the moment you save here, then it will be active. So anybody who sends you an email, it will automatically have to receive this they receive this back to notify them that yeah, you're not in office. So it depends on the message you want to put out there. But basically, this is how it's supposed to be done. I'll not click save. I'll just click cancel. It was just for study purposes, but you can try it out there. And if you have any question, you can just inbox or comment your question under this video. But please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. We make a lot of videos to help people in day-to-day small activities. We don't allow anybody to get locked out by just a small thing. You don't know how to do A, B, C, D. So we simply make these small videos so that we can help you, have a quick execution at your workplace. So I remain Edward Sevume, and I'll sign out. Thank you very much for watching.